Attention passengers, we have been just touched down in Dubai and kindly join me in welcoming our returning students on stage.
They power through the jet lag, the heat, and at least 47 selfies a day. They navigated the crowded streets of Dubai, tasted new foods, and explored every landmark they could find.
Dubai, a city that rises like mirage, the place which grows from sand but chooses to shine like gold.
Dubai isn't merely a city, it's a world of its own, a world many dream of exploring. The girls who went to Dubai came back not with gold, not with diamonds, but with unparalleled and precious experience.
So kindly join me welcoming our proud travelers of Dubai Internship Airline, Ridhima and Rihanna, the AFS coordinator and the house captain of Ruby House.
Hi. Hi.
Good morning, everyone. I, Rihanna,
And I'm Ridhima.
are both very grateful for being here today, and we thank the school for providing us with this opportunity for us to share our experience.
Right, thank you. Could you tell us what this internship was about, along with the skills or experiences you gained during your time there?
Okay, we got this amazing opportunity to visit Dubai for a 10-day internship with a company called Italia Camp. We learned about various fields such as sales, marketing, operations, and AI. We learned how companies turn their ideas into successful businesses and also how hectic 9-to-5 jobs are.
Right. That must be lovely though.
It was.
Was there a moment when you felt like real engineers or researchers for the first time?
There wasn't a big dramatic moment, I would say, as it was our first time, working as a internship, and it was. Sorry.
Quite hectic.
It was. Okay. So.
Take your time.
Yeah.
Yes.
It wasn't a big dramatic moment, I would say, as it was first time we were doing internship like this, and we had really fun though. And this internship was about AI, marketing, entrepreneurship. And I would
Doing these projects for the first time, it felt that this was the real work and how real engineers work like.
like when we used to get tasks related to it, it felt like we were, doing real, we were working in real industry, and I would say it was fun, it was new and exciting feeling for both of us.
Right. How would you describe your day-to-day schedule at the internship?
Our day-to-day schedule was balanced but had its own fun vibe. After breakfast, we spent the major part at the internship, which was 9 to 5, at the World Trade Center. The evenings were the best as we had a lot of fun. We usually hanged around together and had a lot of fun swimming as well, and we had a lot of other activities to do. After dinner, we explored the city of Dubai.
Wow. So after coming back from Dubai, did you feel a shift in yourself, like perhaps a sense of independence?
After coming back from Dubai, we felt really responsible and confident. This internship exposes that how fast world is growing in AI, marketing, entrepreneurship, and we realize that how much capable and confident we are in these things, then much better than we expected actually, and we are ready to explore these areas even more.
Right. Dubai is full of surprises. Which attractions did you explore while being there?
Well, of course, a visit to Dubai is incomplete without visiting the Burj Khalifa and the famous Future Museum.
Right.
Along with that, we also went to the Dubai Mall, of course, for shopping.
And did you try that viral pistachio kunafa Dubai chocolate?
Oh yes, we did. It was quite of a hype about it, and we relished every bit of it.
That's nice. If Dubai gave out awards, what would each of you win and why?
I think I would win the Master of Perfectly submitting the projects on time, because I was very punctual about submitting the projects, and also it was appreciated by the mentors and the organization there.
And I think I would be the queen of queries, because I used to add a lot of questions to mentors and even her.
Yeah.
All right.
So was there a particular moment or a lesson that has stayed with you? Something unforgettable from your time abroad?
One thing that this internship taught us about ourselves is that we can, adjust ourselves in new situation. We realized that we can handle tasks related to AI marketing with interest, and this experience gave us more,
Exposure, and we became more independent and confident.
Right.
And this internship was like a perfect step to the ladder of our future career graphs.
Yes, lovely. That's amazing. Well, thank you for joining us today, Rihanna and Riddhima. We really enjoyed talking to you, and we were very grateful to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We are now back at DPS Pathankot after an incredible journey to Hungary to Dubai. Thank you.
Thank you.
And don't forget. And don't forget, while we at DPS are celebrating our love for reading and language, some of our students are battling it out at Oxford MUN at the world-famous Oxford University at London. These young students are Lavish Thapa, grade 6, Siddhant Singh Jamwal, grade 8, Aradhya Chambyal, grade 8, Adhav Malpotra, grade 8, Sehaj Saini, grade 10th, and Sukhman Preet Kaur, grade 11th. Give a huge round of applause for these students.
And listening to them share their experiences today wasn't just storytelling. It felt like they were transporting us with them. Their growth, confidence, and the way they painted each moment so vividly truly reflect how much they've evolved during their time abroad.
And it's clear that these exchanges didn't just change their passport, they changed their perspectives. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining us for this talk show, and we'll be back next year with more global exchanges. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.